Hey folks, welcome to chapter 12, step 3, horizontal news boxes. Quick preview, these three boxes here, this is pretty much what we call the horizontal news boxes, the info left, info center, and info right. So let's jump into Dreamweaver and I'll show you where to make your changes. Let's go to the library folder and the news boxes folder and the info left, center, and right pages. Let's just open up the info left to start with. Okay. Now, typically if I'm working with a library page, I'll preview my page in the browser first, open up my library page, make the changes, keeping that library page open, and continue previewing my page in my browser until I'm satisfied that everything updated the way I wanted it to. Then I'll close down my library page afterwards. Okay, now there's three components in the page that you can update. We have the H3 title at the top. It's just a simple H3 tag. You select it with your mouse, new title. The key being, when you're done and you select that text, make sure it says H3 down here. If it says none or paragraph, just switch it to heading 3. Then we have an image. Now, when changing the image, it's very important that we use the source tool here to replace, or the point to file tool to replace the image, and that you don't drag it off the page and replace it with a new one by dragging something else on. So let me show you how that works. We just expand our folder here. We find our replacement image, and then we use the point to file tool to point to our new picture and let the program change the picture for us. The reason being is the picture is wrapped in something we called a div class of center pick. That's what adds the little drop shadow and the special hover effect when we hover over the image. Okay, if you were to drag that picture off the page and then drag something new back on, chances are you would remove or overwrite this div class, and that div class would not apply the special effects that we're using. Okay, the next thing you do is change the paragraph down below, and it's just a simple paragraph tag or text in a paragraph. Select it. This is my new description. Right, and when you're said and done, if you were to select the text down below, just make sure that it's wrapped in a paragraph formatting or a paragraph tag like so. And that's really the key elements to changing the title, the picture, and the description. And of course, if you needed to hyperlink something, you just select the text, and then you'd use the link tool, and you would link to whatever page in your site you needed to link that information to. And it's that simple.